Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You have the headphones charged and your phone ready. Now power them on. Press and hold the power button until the LED blinks. This puts the unit into pairing mode. Once done, make sure Bluetooth on your device is enabled and scanning. The Skullcandy name should appear. If you see multiple models, pick the one that matches your headset label. This first step establishes the wireless link, so keep devices close and avoid active hotspots or other Bluetooth devices to reduce interference. Once you tap to pair, your device will exchange keys and create a secure connection. Wait for the confirmation tone or status change. Make sure both media and call audio are enabled in the Bluetooth profile so you hear music and calls. If the app prompts a firmware update, install it. Updates fix connectivity and battery management issues. Also, adjust device volume levels and disable any battery saver modes that may restrict Bluetooth. These steps reduce dropouts and ensure consistent sound quality. You're almost done. Play a track and place a quick call to confirm stereo output and microphone functionality. This verifies profiles are correctly assigned. If something goes wrong, perform a reset by holding the power button for about 8 to 10 seconds. This clears temporary faults. Then repair and, if needed, remove old pairings from both the phone and headset list to avoid conflicts. Troubleshooting tip: if audio drops, toggle Bluetooth off and on. That often clears lingering connection states.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.